It's Meng with Crafts to Crumbs. Today we're making my Lao-Style ragu. It's an exemplary dish of the French influence in the area. I'm starting with 2 pounds of beef tenderloin, which I've cut into 1-inch pieces. To that I'm adding 2 teaspoons of 5-spice powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemongrass from half a stalk, a tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, saving the rest for later. I'm going to mix all those ingredients together. And I'll add about a tablespoon of fish sauce, mix all that together again and let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. In a Dutch oven over medium-high heat, add a tablespoon of vegetable oil or olive oil, bring that up to heat before adding the marinated meat and sear it on all sides. Once we get a good sear, I'm going to add a small onion, 1.5 stalks of lemongrass, that's the other half from the one I used for the marinade, and 1/2-inch piece of ginger that I've sliced into 3 pieces, and 1 cinnamon stick. We'll let that cook for a minute until the onion is translucent before adding the tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 Thai chilies, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. At this point, I'm going to add about a cup of tomatoes. You can add more if you like. Add about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Next, I'll add my vegetables. I'm using 2 large carrots and 2 small russet potatoes. Deglaze the pot with 1 cup of red wine before adding 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, cover, and let that cook for 1.5 to 2 hours. After about 1.5 hours, I'm going to remove that lid and just reduce the liquid. And you can tell that it's done because the meat falls apart easily. You can serve it as is, or I like mine a little bit creamy, so I'm adding about a cup of coconut milk, and then I'll bring that back to a boil. I'm also going to go ahead and remove these large aromatics. Enjoy over a bed of rice or with baguette. That's it. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. For this recipe and more, visit craftstocrumbs.com.